Deepthi, please read question number 118 and speak.
Evolution of the payment structure and how it is likely to affect India within next 5 years.
Yeah.
So, for India, UPI is started in 2016, sir. After that, uh, digital banking is what successfully implementing in India, sir. After implementing UPI in India, many researchers tell that India's revenue was increasing, sir, and making cardless payments very much. In our India, more than 1,000 crore payments were done using UPI, sir. And in next 5 years, there is a rise in digital currency and central bank digital currency, sir. Now, different countries like China piloting about digital currency, electronic payments, sir. And Europe's central bank also exploring about the digital euro, sir. And many research tells that by 2028, 20% of the countries make their currency digitalized, sir. And by this payment structure, there is implementation of cardless payments and mobile wallets, sir. So by that, business people may concentrate about the near field communication technology. By that, we can use UPIs very much, and in this by this we have also technology like blockchain technology and AI, which reduce 50% of the frauds now happening by the next 5 years, sir. And blockchain technology also made decentralized finance solutions, sir. And blockchain technology is used to make transactions safely and make transactions transparent, sir. Thank you.
Good, not bad. But Deepthi, your confidence level is slightly lower. Why don't you improve it by reading more of English? You have lot of time before you. You read lot of English papers. Have I given newspaper to your group for you for newspaper?
Yes, sir.
Good. So please go through newspapers every day in English and improve yourself. Now Abhishek is having on 5th itself. Abhishek, please read this. The evolution of the payment structure in India.
Okay, sir. The evolution of the payment structure in India is influenced by several factors, including technological advancements, regulatory changes, and consumer behavior shifts. Here is an overview of the current trends and likely impacts over the next 5 years. Current trends: digital payment surge. Uh, with the rapid adoption of smartphones and internet connectivity, digital payment methods like UPI have become mainstream. In 2023, UPI transactions surpassed traditional methods like cash and credit cards. Cashless economy initiatives. The Indian government has been promoting a cashless economy through various initiatives, aiming.
Sorry. 1 minute. Yeah, continue. The Indian government has been promoting cashless economy.
Aiming to reduce black money and increase tax compliance. Fintech innovations. The rise of fintech companies is driving innovation in payment solutions, including peer-to-peer payments, buy now, pay later services, and digital wallets. Cryptocurrency regulation. Although cryptocurrencies are not widely accepted, discussions around regulation are ongoing, which could influence future payment methods. Contactless payments. The pandemic accelerated the adoption of contactless payments, with QR codes and NFC near field communication becoming the standard in retail transactions. Likely changes in the next 5 years. Increased digital payment adoption. Digital payment methods will continue to grow, potentially reaching 70 to 80% of all transactions. The traditional cash usage will decline, especially in urban areas. Interoperability and global standard. As India pushes for global payment standards, we may see more interoperability between international and domestic payment systems, facilitating cross-border transactions. Regulatory developments. Stricter regulations could emerge to enhance security and consumer protection, especially around fintech and cryptocurrency, affecting how these services operate. Enhanced security features. With the rise in cyber threats, payment systems will likely implement more robust security measures, such as biometric authentication and AI-driven fraud detection. Focus on financial inclusion. Continued efforts to include underserved populations will drive innovations in mobile banking and microlending, leveraging payment systems to empower rural and low-income users. Rise of AI and machine learning. AI will play a significant role in personalizing payment solutions, improving user experience, and optimizing transaction process. E-commerce integration. As online shopping continues to grow, payment solutions will evolve to offer seamless integration between various platforms, enhancing consumer convenience. Conclusion. The evolution of the payment structure in India will likely transform the financial landscape, making transaction more efficient and inclusive. With continued technological advancements and regulatory support, India is poised to emerge as a leader in digital payments, significantly impacting economic growth and accessibility within next 5 years.
Super. It's a good one. 1 minute. I am giving to you your, just a minute. This is your number. One minute. 95672, na?
Yes, yes.
I am giving to you. And that girl's number I am having 70. Baba. 70. Yeah. 1 minute. Deepthi, could you understand? I think you have prepared for this question earlier very well. So could you follow this question now?
Sir?
Deepthi, could you understand this question now? This chat, this
Sir,
what is
actually,
this?
I'm
Payment methods. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah. Please tell me. Deepthi. Sorry. Deepthi. Yeah.
sir,
Deepthi, yeah. Your internet is not good.
sir,
That's a problem.
uh,
Speak.
yes, sir. I'm not listening. I'm not hearing what you are telling, sir.
I know. But similarly, when you were speaking, we were not able to hear. Doesn't matter. It has been recorded. It will be put in the video. Okay. Deepthi, I was asking, do you have any doubts regarding? You have rightly started. Mr. Abhishek, you must know something about NPCI also. Please go to npci.org.in
Okay,
and
sir.
you must know some idea about that. Very good. Now, do you have some more time at your disposal, Abhishek? Can you stay another 10 minutes?
10 minutes would be okay, but
I
I have
know.
an
I will
internal
leave you.
exam tomorrow.
Yeah, I will leave you because this is a somewhat corrected question. Buy now, pay later. This was asked many times in the group discussion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So buy now, pay later. Deepthi, have you prepared on this?
No, sir.
No. Acha, then I will try to give it to you in this form. Buy now, pay later. Because I know some of you may not know what it is. ChatGPT, gmail.com. Then ChatGPT, because I am signed in Mozilla Firefox. Sign in, log in. Yeah. Samba dot. Earlier, they were not asking all these things. Now they are confusing us. They are asking for so many things. Baba, password. Just a minute. See, actually, I can talk to you on this also. Buy now, pay later means what? Say, you are not going to pay immediately, but you will be paying after some time. So, is it good to go by the scheme buy now, pay later? See, what is happening is many companies are encouraging people to go opt for buy now, pay later. So they start buying more than their needs, more than their capacity, with the result when they default in paying the dues, the companies charge penal charges, much higher charges, thereby causing lot of inconvenience for the people, for the common man. So the buy now, pay later scheme will be advantageous if people are clever in deciding what they need essentially and not use this scheme for buying certain unnecessary things. And the advantage of this scheme is many people who cannot afford to, do not have the money readily, they can opt for this scheme, say purchase of a television, purchase of a refrigerator by this scheme, and they can repay every month from their salary or earnings. When they repay properly, this scheme will come out to be quite an advantageous one for the people who are opting for it. In nutshell, buy now, pay later on is a very good scheme for people who have financial discipline, who are able to use it only for their essential items. And it is not good for people who start buying left, right, and straight for getting anything that is given on, say, buy now, pay later on scheme. So this is what I would like to say on this point. Abhishek, could you understand what I was telling now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Deepthi, could you follow what I said now? Acha, your internet is not all right. It has been recorded. I will post it online. You can listen to that also. And I think there are some
Yes,
videos
sir.
on this also. I have given you the link and you can watch those videos also and try to know. Some other candidates would have talked some different points also. Very nice. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for coming here. I was feeling sad that you will not be able to attend. I am happy you came here. But if you are lucky, you may get any one of these three questions. Sometimes it happens like that. So, or the other two questions we have discussed already. Otherwise, you may get any new questions and do not get tensed on getting a question which you have not prepared because we cannot prepare for all the questions. This GD is only testing your ability to communicate properly in English. You must make simple sentences and convey your ideas briefly. That is what is being tested here. And I think both of you are really good. You will be able to manage it, provided you take it seriously and watch a few more videos also before your real GD and prepare yourself well. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, best wishes. Now,
Thank you, sir.
regarding Abhishek, I am very sorry because 4th is a very busy day here. I am absolutely not free tomorrow. And
It's okay.
so you please attend. I wish you success. Abhishek, I will stop recording this and ask some questions.